So let's check out DAX Studio. So here's the link here if you want to download the program. I've already done that. So I'm going to go into DAX Studio here now. This is the icon, DAX Studio. And I'll connect it to the model we're working on. Connect. So everything comes into DAX Studio. So the one we're looking at, the measure we're looking at is sales to new customer. Have it there now. Click once and then do a right click and do define measure. And it pops into this area here. So we're going to have a look at that now. So do the evaluate here. Then the next part, then just focusing on the first part of the measure first. So it's called current values. So because we don't have a visual here, it's just the code itself, I need to bring in that date of 13th of August 2013 into the filter here and into the code. So how I do that is as follows. I'll just go back up a bit here. Go up to total sales here. We're down to total sales. And I'm going to put in the calculate function. And it's going to be calculate total sales, and then I put in the date filter. So it's the date table and the date field or column equal to the date function, and it's 2013 8/13. Close bracket on that. Then close bracket here. Calculate, and this is the close bracket for it not is blank, so we need one more close bracket, and that's for the filter. So this first variable, what you end up with is it is the customer numbers on that date, the 13th of August 2013. Now the next one is this other next variable. The change, we're just going to make one change to this one because, as I said, we don't have the visual interacting with the formula, so I need to put in a date, the date we're focusing in on. So the less than, and it'll be the same thing. The date function, using the date function, that's where I put the enter the date. So date function 2013 8/13 close bracket. So what this is these are all the existing customers on the date prior and from the very start. So you can see that in the filter here that it's all the dates that are less than the date I'm using. So up to the 12th of August, all those customers that had sales will be listed out and returned by this variable. Then there are two variables then, and we're just going to do the last part, look at the last part of it now, which is the comparison of two lists of customer numbers. So I'm going to return a measure using the row function. here, and I'm going to call it the same name as before, sales to new customers, comma then. And what this one is going to be is essentially I need to put that filter in again. So that's on the date. So it's going to be date, the date column, equal to date function 2015 813. So just make sure this is okay. So it's calculate I think we need an extra close bracket for the row. So we're going to return a result here of the formula as sales to new customers. Calculate total sales except just need a comma here. Date. That looks okay. So what this part is doing is, as I said before, it's basically comparing the two lists. It starts off with this list. What are the customer numbers for the current date, which in this one here I've filtered it down to just to one date, 13th of August 2013. Those customer numbers, which of those do not appear on this other list, the bigger list, which is the customer numbers from inception to the previous date, the 12th of August 2013, that we had sales with. And that's how the total sales is going to be calculated then on that basis. And we'll just run that now. So running the entire code and see that we get the same number, 17,784.61. So click one here, and we do get the same figure, 17,784 euro 61 cent. So I hope that shows you something on the quick measure dealing with sales to new customers.